Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlog. So today I'm gonna make a very interesting video. It's about like your clinic interiors. So your clinic interiors should be very beautiful or very posh. Does it affect the patient flow in your clinic, or does it affect the treatment charges? So all these factors we'll discuss in this video today. So first of all, the clinic interiors is a very important thing which we need to take care of when we are building a new clinic especially for the budding dentists. And the clinic interior, the main problem is that the budget, right? So everybody has a problem with the budget in the initial phases of life. Not everybody, mostly 80 to 90%. So frankly speaking, what I didn't spend at all at my clinic interiors. Truly speaking, I didn't have any money in the initial phases of my career, and I took from my mother, some from the loan, some from the friends. So that, like that, I just made a jogadu clinic and I opened it like anyhow, and I started because my clinic was in a suburban area, and slowly I developed it. I remodeled it, I changed it again, I painted it 4-5 times. So it's a slow process, right? So always don't think about spending a lot of money on your clinic interiors, because the first thing you should spend on is yourself, your skills. That is more important thing. Yes, clinic interiors do matter, because a lot of patients will be seeing your clinic if it is very clumsy, dirty, and a lot of things are there accumulated, and it gives a negative vibe in the clinic, right? So you have to create a positive vibe in the clinic. So what are the few things which you need to do is you reduce the amount of armamentarium which is seen outside, right? Try to keep everything inside the cupboards. Don't keep everything outside, like the wires and all the instruments. It should be all inside in a proper rack. That's very necessary. Even if it's a small clinic, it should be very neat and clean, and you should keep everything in arrangement. Then the second thing is that you should be always hiring a maid to clean the clinic. You should not tell your attendants to clean the clinic, because see, they are also attendants. They are doing some work. They are assisting you. They are not for jhadu pocha, right? So you have to keep a separate maid for just for this cleaning purpose, who will clean the chairs, who will clean the clinic interiors, everything. All the instruments should be cleaned by your attendants, right? That's very important. Plus, a patient who comes to your clinic, suppose you go to a hotel and you find the dhaba is like, okay, if the dhaba is charging for a chicken gravy for you 1500, 1500, so you'll be saying itna charge kya hai dhabe ka? So your clinic should not look like a dhaba, at least, right? Your clinic should be a very good posh clinic. So when you charge from the patient won't hesitate even, right? If you go to a 5-star hotel, you can even pay for a 500 rupees tea, right? But if you charge 500 or 800 or 1000 for a root canal or whatever, for filling, restoration, so patient should not hesitate, because they will see, okay, this interior is good, cleaning is very neat and clean clinic, and everything is sterilized. Patient won't hesitate to pay you as well. So this is a very important thing, interiors. So how much should you exactly spend in your clinic interiors? If you in the current scenario, you have to spend a minimum of 5 to 6 lakhs in your clinic interiors, maybe even more, because the ceiling, if the clinic is around 1000 square feet or less than that, suppose for example 300 to 400 square feet, the ceiling will only take around 1 lakh rupees, right? So if you make a good ceiling and the flooring, so that will cost you around 1.5 lakh rupees, and cupboards and all will another take 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, and then you can put more. So you keep aside a budget of 3 to 4 lakhs for clinic interiors, for a minimum clinic interior. That way your clinic will look nice. And what I suggest to the young dentists, paint your clinic totally white in color, so that what will happen is you won't be getting clumsy look. Your clinic will look bigger even if it's a small clinic. So I always paint my clinic white in color. You need to paint again and again after every 2 years or 1.5 years, because it becomes dirty very soon, but still it gives a very good look to the clinic. So I hope you like this video, and soon we are starting a 3.5 months general dentistry course in Bhubaneswar. The name of our academy is Sai Dental Academy and Charitable Hospital, and the patient flow is good. We are providing hostel facilities for girls as well, and there you will learn all the root canal procedures, extractions, prosthetic procedures. So please do come and join us, and you can also follow my Insta channel. My Insta channel name is Sai_dental. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.